I want people who are now mourning. They are mourning day and night, saying that they are abductions. But these same people, just the other day, they were celebrating when our boys were shot in Kibera, our boys were shot in Kawangware, our boys were shot in Embakasi, our boys were shot and killed everywhere in Nairobi. And we mourned them. There was a mass funeral here in Bondo. It is as if the lives of people from this area does not matter. It is two wrongs don't make a right. But you cannot shout on abductions and you do not shout on the killings. And these killings are less than 2 years ago, just last year, a year ago. And where were you when these things were happening? Where were you, these human rights people? Why are you not demanding compensation for our boys who were killed? Why are you not doing that? I think there must be rationale in everything that we do. I agree that the Gen Zs were demanding their rights, and what they were demanding was similar to what we were also demanding. But justice must be done, and anybody who demands justice must demand that justice with clean hands. Mano kende egima adwa wacho.